Hello everyone, welcome back to Broadheart channel. Today we're discussing what is an open terrace garden. An open terrace garden or a green roof is the solution for a die-hard urban gardener's dream of planting a home garden. Open terrace gardens are suitable for people who do not have the privilege of a backyard or an outdoor garden. A very well designed open terrace will give you a much needed peace and escape from the bustling city. As there is little or no ground space left, the only way to get any greenery is at the terrace or balcony of the apartments, office complex, or commercial hub. This garden's uniqueness is that you can grow florals or colorful shrubs, fruit, or vegetables directly on the building's terraces, balconies, or roofs. In heavily populated urban areas of cities, even with a small roof or balcony, terrace gardening idea is a blessing and you can create a garden. It is the best place to sit and spend your quality time. Advantages of open terrace garden. Apart from making up for the lack of space of gardener's dream of planting a garden at home, an open terrace garden has many advantages. It takes us closer to nature. Nature is and has always been the best friend of man. Terrace gardens are adding a piece of nature to your home. Fresh and organic produce. Having a garden terrace allows you immediately access fresh vegetables and fruit. Nothing tastes so much better than meals prepared with vegetables straight out of a plant, or fruit is eaten in its freshest shape. Develop your pharmacy. Have a natural medicine pharmacy established in your terrace garden. You will keep a lot of lifestyle diseases in control. Help to minimize pollution. Plants increase the production of oxygen. To have a garden means to increase the flow of oxygen and ultimately reduce emissions. Plants absorb toxins from the air and filter poisonous gases. They essentially regulate the amount of carbon dioxide and other contaminants that are regularly released into the air. Your children can breathe in the fresh air that your garden provides, which in turn helps them grow a strong immune system. Tends to help in rainwater harvesting. Terrace gardens store rainwater that thus help to moderate the temperature. They also stop the storm water flow, which reduces the burden on sewer systems when the flow is high. Helps to keep the temperature cooler. The daily cycle of dew and evaporation maintains the roof surface moist and provides a moist atmosphere within the home. The light consumed by all the vegetation on the terrace garden will be transformed into heat energy in the absence of plants, which will increase the roof temperature. Aesthetic benefit. You can keep your house visually beautiful with the presence of a terrace garden. It beats every costly and new uplift you can make to your home. Tips for creating an open terrace garden. Where the garden is to be designed. An open terrace garden can be designed in any house, commercial or residential, flat or sloping roof. You only need a roof or a terrace. The first thing that you need to check before developing a terrace garden is if the roof surface can hold the soil's weight. The soil, particularly the wet soil, is much heavier than the one would normally conceive. Avoid building terrace gardens on properties that have shown signs of vulnerability and severe damage. Plant carefully. When it comes to rooftop garden design, ensure that you preserve the variety of plant sizes. There must be a few big plants, shrubs, and small trees, soil covers, annuals. An important terrace gardening tip is that you would like to grow vegetables, start those that grow very quickly and don't require a lot of effort, such as fenugreek, coriander, chili, capsicum, spinach, etc. Once you have gained trust, you can now grow many vegetables and fruits of your choice. Almost every vegetable can be grown on the terrace. So you can buy containers of different sizes that will offer a nice look at your rooftop garden. You can get these metal planters for growing vegetables and herbs. Growing herbs and vegetables is a perfect terrace gardening idea to use your open terrace space. You can decorate your home and garden with this stunning planter stand and create a modern gardening style. The plants stands to provide a durable design that can accommodate the heaviest of potted plants. It is explicitly made of powder coated paint for providing rust resistant and the best way to add some color to your free space. These polished brass planters are suitable for planting low-maintenance vegetables and herbs. You can check out this product by clicking on the link in the description. Bring in the variety by making it eco-friendly. Show your imagination and add variety not only to the plants but also to the containers and jars used. A major terrace gardening tip is to make it eco-friendly and green in the real sense by using recycled containers. Coconut shells, Coke bottles, kitchen utensils, bamboo baskets, cardboard crates, broken buckets. Just think about it before throwing it all away. You can get these eco-friendly planters as these are 100% eco-friendly and convert into the decomposing organic matter as they are biodegradable. They absorb moisture for more extended periods, reducing the amount of watering. These trendy eco-friendly pots set your garden different and unique from everyone. They will look fantastic in your garden and adds to the charm of wall gardens. Pots stay unchanged above the ground for more than a year and biodegradable in soil within 2 to 3 months. Flower beds on the terrace. You can mount small flower beds on the terrace directly on the roof. This process can be accomplished by putting the soil between the parapet and the wall built on the inner side. Hydraulic wood shuttering, stones, or bricks may be used to render the inside wall of a flower bed. Blossoms ideal for a terrace garden are antirrhinum, pansy, dahlia, asylum, phlox, verbena, dianthus, and much more. You can get these natural stone planters for urban gardening. With the help of natural stone planter, you can encourage sustainability and green habits that do not harm the climate. These ceramic planters will be beautifully balanced against fresh greens. Go for the florals or colorful shrubs that will ease the edgy look of these planters. Urban Roots give you high quality ceramic pots that fit your style. The pot includes a drainage hole that absorbs excess water and inflates the roots. You can check out this product by clicking on the link in the description. Do lighting and use accessories. Your roof garden must be well lighted during the evening time as well. It's nice to make more bright spots, particularly near the stairwell or the entrance. Also, the roof's lighting would make it look more significant during the evening, and it's a unique terrace gardening idea. In addition to space-saving gardening methods, funky birdhouse-shaped planters are also a fascinating terrace gardening idea. While planters and pots are the most popular term in gardening, they also increase the space's volume. This hanging garden planter, contemporary style, will make your home more vibrant. This planter works well for all kinds of plants, flowers, herbs, fruits, succulents, and seeds. The planter pot consists of a double pot to prevent leakage and a hanger that can be modified as needed. It can be used as a tabletop or as a decorative product also. These little hanging pots will be lightweight and play the role of an eye-catching accessory in your open terrace garden. You can check out this product by clicking on the link in the description. Go vertical. The space available for gardening is limited on the terrace, hence it is smart to promote a vertical garden. That's why a die-hard garden lover should use more trailers and climbers in his garden. One important terrace gardening tip is to use vertical space to bring more space to your roof garden. Hang planters on the walls. Hanging baskets play an important role in the gardening of a terrace. Different kinds of baskets, containers, either flowering or foliage plants, can be seen with a considerable benefit at appropriate locations. If you need some lush greenery in your home without having to take care of it, we have an excellent solution for you. You can keep the mystical moss frame in your house. Don't water the moss and keep it in half or full shade. The intense sunlight might fade the color of the moss. The moss frame can also be used at indoor locations. Play with colors. Use warm colors and their combination to get a lovely look. Everything is possible in a well-planned urban roof garden. Grow trees, foliage, annuals, florals, or colorful shrubs to add a pop of color. You can get this vertically decorated pot stand, and these pots can be organized according to colors and design to make an eye-pleasing array of greens. This rack has a natural design and is durable with a beautiful flower pot stand, has a long-lasting material. It's just the right combination for your home, and it decorates your garden well. This plant stand is always a perfect addition to your home. Its finishing is smooth and easy to clean. Simply assembling is necessary and perfect for any spot, balcony or outdoor. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like the video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to Proud Heart channel.